Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Telegram link not working issue. Let's get started. Step 1, update the Telegram app. First things first, make sure your Telegram app is up to date. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Telegram and tap Update if there's one available. An outdated app can sometimes cause link issues. Step 2, clear Telegram's cache. Still not working? No worries. Open the Telegram app. Go to Settings, Data and Storage, Storage Usage, and tap Clear Cache. Corrupted cache files can sometimes block links from opening correctly, so this step often helps. Step 3, restart your device. Next, try restarting your phone or tablet. It sounds simple, but a quick reboot can clear up temporary glitches that might be interfering with the app. Step 4, check the link itself. If you're still facing issues, double check the link. It might be broken, expired, or incorrectly formatted. If possible, reach out to the person who sent it and ask them to share a fresh one. And that's it. You've fixed the Telegram link not working issue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.